Okay, Next Gen Equipment Supply, H-Max in action. So we're taking grass sods out for a planting job. You can see how nice and thick the lawn is. Really not suitable for you to bring your skid steer on top of this. It's really no obstacle when you have the H-Max. 10 cubic feet, 1,000 pound capacity. All-wheel drive. Honda engine, Tecumseh transmission. Completely effortlessly. And we are going to load the grass sods into our mason dump. So we're going to downshift into first gear. Right up and in. Dump the load. Shake it out a little bit. See our double acting piston, Honda GBX 160. Comes the transmission mounted to direct drive to the front tire. So now that the bucket's empty, right down the ramp, ready for the next load. It's exactly 2 minutes and 30 seconds. H-Max, the only 4x4 you'll ever need.